Alright, well, Haley's not really that excited about the snow. She's just chilling. Let's see if Daddy can change this.
Be careful, that camper doesn't get wet.
Haley, you want to play in the snow? Yeah, that's why I said let me do it, sweetie. Whoa. Okay. As you can see, the snow is like covering a good quarter of our windowsills and our porch. And you can see where my landlord snow plowed. Look how high that crap is. And you can tell our street has not been plowed. But you can see that idiots are still driving on it. I don't get it. And look, there's my lovely wife trying to clean her car off and flip me off. I haven't told her yet this is going on YouTube later. Yeah, now you can flip the whole world off. Haley. Oh, you got... Did you just throw a snowball at Daddy? Oh, yes you did. Alright, we will come back in a little while after I teach this little girl a lesson.